In this video, we are going to see how we can work in offline mode in Microsoft Outlook. So if you're using a new version of Microsoft Office, the offline mode is by default supported. That means even if you're disconnected to the internet, it will still work. It will not show you any error. But in the older versions, what happens is, let's say that you are disconnected from the internet, you try to send some email, it doesn't send that. In fact, it shows an error. So if you want to avoid that, what you can do is just click on the send and receive option and click on work offline. What this will do is this will allow you to completely use Outlook without the need for the internet. The only thing is, whenever you want to obviously receive a new email or send a new email, it needs the internet connection, but otherwise you can even schedule your emails. As soon as Outlook gets internet, it will start sending them immediately. Until then, you can check all of your old emails, you can respond to any of the emails, and as soon as the internet is available, it will automatically send that. So you can still smoothly work on the Outlook if you set it to simply the work offline mode. So just try that feature for your version of Outlook, and I will see you in the next one.